Here. No, here. Sienna, here. Here.
This may be the first time a polar bear has ever asked a human for help. So the man attempts to remove the can, but he discovers that the tongue is actually stuck in the can. Oh, that looks like it hurts. The bear offered to come inside so the man could use some tools, to which the man replied, absolutely not, you're a polar bear, what are you doing? Instead, he called for backup. The team came in on a helicopter, all badass and stuff. They tranquilize it. They remove the can, and check this out. They brought the bear fish snacks, so he had something to eat when he woke up all groggy and stuff.
This yellow lab is my friend Jody's. Her name is Stella. She doesn't love anything more than jumping inside a big pile of leaves.
Lorenzo, do you like Starbucks?
Let the bunny go and he's running the wrong way. Don't go in the backyard, bunny. Look, you see him? There he goes. I put him in the front yard. Oh my God. Oh my God!